So in preparation, I have some small washers that need to be used for the hot end, because it needs to be brought out slightly, a few millimeters, because of this large bolt. It's going to be in the way of the hot end bolt magnet. So in preparation, I have a brand new nozzle, all the Allen keys, and a socket wrench for the nozzle, and a large spanner to hold the heat block so it doesn't twist and break. But the first thing that I can do is with the ender 3 turned off is remove all the clips from the Bowden tubes. I can remove the extruder insert, and then remove the Bowden tube from the hot end by pushing down on the clip. So the washer is somewhere down in there. It seems to have disappeared. So the next thing I'm going to do is turn it on and remove the nozzle. But first of all, I'm going to remove the fan cover. Okay, I've got it out by pushing down. What is that? Like the remains of the washer. So it's nice and clean. So the nozzle is now can be put in. I'll put the temperature about 230. Going to carefully wind it in with my finger. So this is the remains of the hot end fix, Luke's hot end fix. Pretty gunky, and the washer has actually disappeared. So I don't know what happened to the washer. It possibly melted or just disintegrated. So Luke's hot end fix doesn't last forever. It has to be maintained and redone, and probably going to be the same with the Magnet MK10. But we'll have to see. So I'm going to unscrew the hot end bolts. There's the magnet, fits perfectly.
But it was something more than that. Feel like that there is something out there. It's frustrating because every night we come back to this.
So the next thing to do is
It was getting better and better. But now tonight we've come back to this clearing.
Capricorn tube in, do the bolt tight, and get a razor blade, push down, a slice. The last remaining thing is to insert the extruder side into the Dual Gear Winsin all metal extruder. I'm gonna check with some filament that it goes in okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Then just let the magnet connect, center it. That's the filament all the way in.